Hi everyone, Keyless Central here. Today I'm just going to do a quick pick Thursday video. It's actually my son's birthday today. He just turned 1, so big happy birthday to my son. So yeah, I just kept that there as a bit of a reminder. So it's where my attentions go. I'll just put it down there for the time being. So yep, the big old one. Today I'm just going to pick this one here. These locks have been lying there for a while, so I thought I'd give them a pick. This is a Lockwood 234 that I got from Pocketwoman. There's the bitting on the key. So a couple of nasty gatekeepers down the front and some highs down the back. The Keyway is a BD Keyway, as you can see. So a little bit paracentric, but we'll give it a go. Let's put him in the vise. Let's use. I think these open both ways. I can't remember. I think Pocketwoman said they open clockwise and anti-clockwise, but we'll see. I'm just trying to figure out if this is the. Yeah, we'll see. We'll take this one. Arrows, SS Dev and 25,000s, and I reckon I can get to them. Alrighty, no focus of course as usual. Let's get in there. Have a look see. So I'm not going to be putting too much pressure on this, just over that spring tension, and see how we go. See if I can make this into a quick pick Thursday video. Okay, just for a little set there, possibly another one. That's binding, not sure about that one. Another one here, not sure about that one either. Oh, and we got, well, there you go. So, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very quick pick. Yes, that is your bitting. I'll zoom out again. Oh, yeah. I zoom out when I'm in there. So that was the bitting, 6-pinner. Just went 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bang. Didn't expect that. Trying to do all my picks cold now, where I don't pick any. I don't like do any practice picks. I just get straight into it. So it opens. It does open anti-clockwise. It feels like it's got more of a snap going clockwise. No, it's the same. Same. Alright, cool. So that was the 234 with the BD Keyway for your Quick Pick Thursday and my son's first birthday. Happy birthday to him. Little Abel. First birthday. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.